Hey, what's going on, everybody? Are you looking to get started on medium.com with your very own blog? Well, in this video, I am going to show you and tell you how you can get traffic and views on your blog post. All free methods. There's not going to be any, pay for people to come, but it's going to be all free methods to get viewers to your post, and so you can hopefully earn a little bit of money. And so the first way is going to be, publish consistent, great content. Medium looks for great articles, researched articles, and you want to do your research and publish high quality articles with sources, image sources, the whole 9 yards. So publish consistently, and you can also, after you publish, you can share your post onto, Twitter, Facebook, forums, just around the web. Get it out there. With your following, if you have any following elsewhere. Alright, another way is Facebook groups. There are a lot of great Facebook groups for Medium writers and writers in general. And you're going to see, once you do this, you will start getting views, a little bit of views, and people, applauding your work and liking your post, following you. So that's a great way to just get some initial views coming in. There are several great ways. You could make post elsewhere and kind of link back to your article as that source. And that's a good way. If the website has enough traffic, it could be really, really good. All right. Another way is commenting on other people's Medium post. If you comment, people will start to see that you're an active member on Medium, and they will come and check you out and see, what your posts are about. Now, don't leave your link on their post, but just, comment on it and, say like, hey, this is a really great piece of work, leave your a little bit of thought into it, and just do this, maybe 100 people a day is all you need. And you could try following for following. That doesn't really work too well, in my opinion, just because people won't really read your stuff. That, if that makes any sense, they might not be interested in what you're writing about. But Medium's great because you can write about anything. You don't have to stick to one subject. You can write about a whole variety of subjects. Maybe today I want to write about astrophotography. Maybe tomorrow I want to write about finance. So you can write about anything you want. Keep that in mind. So, like I said, Facebook groups. You can, tweet out your post. You could make a YouTube video, a short YouTube video, kind of highlighting some key points of the article, and say, hey, if you want to read the full article, click the link, down below. So that's great. I would try to get into publications. Publications, when you're just starting out, is probably going to be the biggest advantage. Some people say publications are overrated. I think when you're just starting out, they're fine, because if you get submitted or curated into the publication, guess what? Depending on how big that publication is and if they accept you, you will get a good amount of views on your post if it's good enough. So that's always a huge plus. And then the last thing I would really say is, besides consistency and high quality, is the tags. Make sure you use broad tags. I would say broad tags. A lot of people say, specific tags, but I'd say broad. Because it'll get in front of a bigger range of people. Now you can use one very, very niche specific tag, but I would try to just, use broader tags that'll get you out in front of more people. But probably the two biggest things in the beginning are going to be your publications in those Facebook groups, or forums related to writing. Those are probably going to be your biggest successes. And stay consistent with it. Try to upload a post every single day, or as often as you can. Me personally, I shoot. I'm kind of still a beginner, medium, but I shoot for 2 posts a day. That's right around 1,000 words. So do these tips. They really work and they really help. If you like this video, leave a like. Let me know what you thought, and let me know if I missed any tips. I'll be sure to do a video on those tips in the future.